are going to know how to make the jewel box. Things we need are pop sticks, scissors, ruler, pencil and glue gun. Take 10 pop sticks and place it vertically. Cut a heart-shaped paper and place it on the pop sticks. Draw the outline. Then cut the outline with the scissors. Keep it aside. Take another 9 pop sticks and place it horizontally. Place the heart-shaped paper on the pop sticks. Cut the outline with the scissors. Then take the 2 heart-shaped pop sticks and glue it with the glue gun like this. Make another like that. Take any one of the heart. Draw another heart on the pop stick with the help of a pencil. Take another single pop stick and mark 3 cm. Cut the marked point. Make many like that. Glue it on the drawn heart with the glue gun. Take another pop stick heart and place it on the glued pop stick. Tape it inside and outside at the corner. Make the decorations what you want. Now our jewel box is